Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about CSS padding. First of all, little bit introduction theory about CSS padding, and then we will quickly move on to example only. The CSS padding properties are used to generate the space around an element's content inside of any defined borders. Okay, with CSS you have a full control over the padding, so we can have a top, right, bottom, and left like this: padding top, padding right, padding bottom, and padding left. All the padding properties can have following values like length, percentage, inherit. Length specifies a padding in a pixel, point, centimeter, etc. Percentage specifies a padding in the percentage of the width of the containing element. And inherit specifies that the padding should be inherited from the parent element. Note, negative values are not allowed. So here we have four different types. Like if you have a padding with the four values, it will be top, right, bottom, left, first, second, third, and fourth value. If you have a padding with three values, then first and third will be top and bottom. Second will be right and left. If you have a padding with the two values, then first will be top and bottom, and second will be right and left. And if it is only one value, then all the four paddings are 25 pixels. So we have like what you can say example over here. See here, we have used division for style sheet, like we are using internal style sheet, and we have applied style sheet to division element, and the paddings are 10, 20, 30, and 40, and we have assigned background color also light blue to this division. Okay, and in body section we have one h4, that is padding shorted property values, just one message with the h4 element. And with a division, this is a division element with the values for top 10, right 20, and bottom and left, all these things. Okay, and then close of body and close of html. Okay, so we'll quickly run this program, control S. Okay, see, we are getting this as output. So this is the blue color section for the division, that is for padding, which we have used 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 30 pixel, and 40 pixel. And this is nothing but a heading in the H4. That's it, nothing else. But the main thing is this part, this light blue color section, where we have used what? Padding. Thank you everyone.